Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to cut a video in Instagram Reels. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go and need the Instagram application right here. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. If you have not downloaded it to your mobile phone, go to your app store and download Instagram because you are going to be needed to upload reels. You cannot upload them via the browser or without an application. So once you have gotten your application, you can go ahead and open up, log into your account that you want to upload and cut the reels in. And as you can see after this is going to open up this our main page, where now at the bottom of the screen we are going to have this plus button in the middle of the page. This plus button is going to enable us to upload the reels. So what you want to do is click the plus button, and once you click the plus button, it's going to enable you to select the video that you want to use as a reel. So go ahead and select it and click next. And as you can see, after selecting my video, now it's going to look like this, where we can get started with editing our video however we want. So right here at the bottom left corner, we'll have an edit video option. So you want to go ahead and click on edit video on the reel you want to cut. So by clicking edit video, it's going to open up this menu where, as you can see, we can go ahead and manage how our video looks. We have all the edit options, and all we need to do to be able to cut the video is just tap on it right here in the motion. As you can see in the view page, tap on it, and now we have the yellow lines right here. So if you want to cut it, you can just select any of the yellow lines and put them wherever you want, depending how you want to cut the video. So you can go ahead and select where it starts, where it ends, and so on. And basically that's going to enable you to cut your video. Once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click the next button and go ahead and save it and upload it to your profile once you're satisfied with the cut. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.